Hello everyone and welcome to Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Friendship Primary from St. Catherine up against Emmanuel Christian Academy from St. Andrew. I'm your host Javon Keys and the action begins right now. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Friendship Primary won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so at that time on the clock we begin with Friendship Primary. Bible knowledge. Which man in the Bible is described as a man in the land of Uz?
Job. Job.
Correct. Bible knowledge. Emmanuel Christian Academy. Which man in the Bible is described as a father of many nations?
Abraham.
Correct. Jamaican Affairs, a visual question, friendship. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Desmond McKenzie. Desmond McKenzie.
Local government minister, that's correct. Jamaican Affairs, a visual question, ECA. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Portia Simpson Miller.
Incorrect. Juliet Holness, House Speaker. Science, friendship, what is the name for the very thin vessel in which gases, nutrients, and waste pass to and from the body cells?
Capillaries. Capillaries.
Correct. Science, ECA, what system works to bring oxygen and nutrients to the body cells and takes away carbon dioxide and waste?
Excretory system.
Incorrect. The circulatory system. Television, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Tentacle Man. Tentacle Man.
Incorrect. Mr. Sinister from X-Men. Television, a visual question, ECA. Look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Professor X.
Professor X from X-Men. That's correct. English language, friendship, spell laughable.
Mine, laughable. Laupphable.
Laugh.
Incorrect. Laughable. Please speak up. English language, ECA, spell intrigue.
Intreaged.
Incorrect. Intrigue. Sports, a visual question, friendship. Look at the monitor and identify this former West Indies cricket captain.
Brian Lara. Brian Lara.
Incorrect. Carl Hooper. ECA, sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this former West Indies cricket captain.
Vivian Richards. Vivian Richards.
Incorrect. Richie Richardson. General knowledge, friendship, in which U.S. state is the capital city of Atlanta?
Georgia. Georgia.
Correct. General knowledge, Emmanuel Christian Academy, in which U.S. state is the capital city of Sacramento?
California. California.
Correct. Social studies, friendship, Jamaican national hero Marcus Garvey formed the UNIA. What does UNIA stand for?
Mine. Universal Negro Improvement Association.
That's right. Social studies, ECA, a Jamaican national hero founded the BITU. What does BITU stand for?
Bustamante Industrial Trade Union.
Bustamante Industrial Trade Union.
Correct. Friendship music. What is the title given to someone who directs an orchestral performance?
Conductor.
Conductor.
Correct. Music. ECA. What is another name for the stick used by a conductor directing an orchestra?
Orchestrating stick.
Incorrect. Baton. Friendship. Mathematics. How many months are in 12 years?
144. 144.
Correct. ECA. Mathematics. A baseball game has 9 innings. If you pitched a ball 12 times per inning, how many times did you pitch?
108 times.
Correct. Jamaican Affairs, friendship. Who is Jamaica's Minister of Justice?
Delroy Chuck. Delroy Chuck.
Correct. Jamaican Affairs, ECA. Who is Jamaica's Minister of Legal and Constitutional Affairs?
Marlene Malahu Fort.
Correct. Friendship science. And we don't have time for any more questions. That's the end of section 1. The scores are Friendship Primary on 8 and Emmanuel Christian Academy on 5. Now, before we head to a quick break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Develop a daily routine that will keep you feeling refreshed and focused. Set specific bed and wake-up times, as this will help you to get through each day in a more relaxed and organized manner. A friendly tip there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.